Hi, my name is Corbin Greer. I'm in CSC 201 at GCU, and here is my explanation for my compare sorting assignment. So, first, I'm going to show you the main method. So, what this assignment is testing tim sort, merge sort, and insertion sort methods and algorithms. So, this is not very visual or uh, complex of what the algorithm is doing, but the complexity in the algorithm is more of how effective can we make a simple sort algorithm. And obviously, you see using this main method, we pass the two little tests in there, and then also the 19 instructor tests we also pass for the variety of circumstances that may happen when sorting arrays. So, to go into some of the logic behind uh, the code itself, starting off with a recursive, I mean, excuse me, a insertion sort method. So insertion sort works by looping through an array and going through that array, finding the number, and then keep pushing it down until there's a smaller number in front of it. And once you go through all the elements, then you have the list sorted from lowest to highest. Merge sort is very different, actually. So it takes an array of numbers and then it divides the arrays half by half till it's just one array, which would be a sorted array since there's only one element, and then combines those arrays one by one. And when it merges it, it sorts the merge from so that new merged arrays are in order, and then just keeps combining those blocks until it's all back into one array and all sorted. And I do this by having a msort recursive method and a merge method to merge those arrays that are getting divided when I do it recursively. Now the tim sort is a combination of both merge sort and insertion sort. Why we use tim sort is we use it because uh, merge sort is a lot more effective in larger arrays. However, insertion sort is more effective typically in the smaller arrays. And that line is about when there's about 10 to 15 or less elements in the array, insertion sort is more effective. Then higher merge sort takes the cake on that. So what I do in the tim sort is I have three phases and I kind of divide that into methods for each phase. First, it divides the array into a set of runs. I use 10. So there's 10 elements each run, puts into array list of arrays. And using those runs, since that's like the limit of where insertion sort is faster, instead of continuing to divide those using merge sort, use insertion sort in all those runs, using the sort runs method. And then I use a merge arrays method, which merges those new runs or arrays that are sorted, same as it would in merge sort, and builds those up recursively until there's just one array of a sorted number. And that is the most effective out of those three algorithms. All right, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed my explanation of the tim sort, merge sort, and insertion sort methods and algorithms. Thank you so much for watching.